Hello children, today we will learn about the two different sounds of vowel I. The short sound of vowel I is E and the long sound of vowel I is I. So let's get started. Kids, in this first spelling K-I-T, there is short sound of vowel I, that is E. K-I-T, kit. This is kit. But in the second spelling K-I-T-E, we can see vowel E at the end of this word. And now let's see its magic. It makes the short sound of vowel I, that is E, long, and long sound of vowel I is I. So how we will pronounce this second spelling K-I-T-E? It will be kite because it has vowel E at the end of this word. So there will be long sound of vowel I, that is I. This is kite. Here L-I-P. Is this lipe? No. Why it is not lipe? Because we don't have vowel E at the end of this word. So this is L-I-P, lip. There is short sound of vowel I, that is E, lip. L-I-P, lip. But how we will pronounce this L-I-M-E? Very good. This is lime because we have vowel E at the end. So this is lime. Kids, what will be P-I-N? Yes, very good. This is pin. Short sound of vowel I is E. This is bin. And what will be P-I-L-E? Is this pill? Very good. This is not pill. This is pile. Long sound of vowel I due to the vowel E. We have vowel E at the end of this word. So there will be long sound of vowel I, that is I. Kids, now we know all the rules of long and short sound of vowel I. Now you will tell me how we will pronounce this spelling K-I-D. Is this kite? Very good. This is kid. Short sound of vowel I is E. Why there is short sound? Because we don't have any vowel, or we can say we don't have the vowel E at the end of this spelling. And what will be H-I-V-E? Very good. This is hive. Let's read these two. Z-I-P, zip. This is not zip. This is zip. Short sound of vowel I is E. And L-I-N-E, we have vowel E at the end of this word. So its magic is it makes the short sound of vowel I long. So this is line. This is not lin. This is line. Long sound of vowel I is I. So this is line. Now P-I-T. Is this pite? We have I here. Is this pite? No, this is not pite because we don't have vowel E at the end of this spelling. This is pit. There is short sound of vowel I. Very good. This is pit. What will be D-I-C-E? Very nice. This is dice. Long sound of vowel I is I. Dice. Okay. Wow, beautiful fish. And what is the thing? It is showing. Yes, this is fin. This is fin. F-I-N is fin. Short sound of vowel I. And this girl is fine. Can you see? She is fine. F-I-N-E, fine. Long sound of vowel I is I, fine. Now last one. You will tell me how we will pronounce P-I-N. Well done, kids. This is pin. And how we will pronounce P-I-N-E? Excellent. This is pine. Very good. Short sound in pin and long in pine. Thank you so much. Bye.